Did you know the largest Hindu temple complex in Southeast Asia isn't in India? It is Prambanan Temple, located in central Java, Indonesia. Built in the 9th century, this magnificent UNESCO World Heritage Site is dedicated to the Hindu Trinity, Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. The tallest temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, rises 47 meters into the sky. Its walls are covered with stunning carvings that tell the epic story of the Ramayana. Originally, the complex had 240 temples, although many were damaged by earthquakes over the centuries. Today, careful restoration has preserved this incredible masterpiece for future generations. Prambanan stands as a timeless symbol of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage. Follow Curio Nexus for more amazing facts from around the world.